took a look on the right. That is Red River, where they are getting inches of snow this morning. The latest ski resort or ski snow totals, Eric, for Red River, 2 inches. But I mean, look at the stark contrast between the two cities.
Yeah, you know, I think in Albuquerque, everybody's probably like, okay, we can handle not waking up to snow, but we do have the cold wind. It feels like 23 degrees. Farmington, another one of the cities waking up to a little wintry weather. This is the last week of winter. Spring does begin on Saturday. You'll have to take my word for it, right? Because it doesn't look like it right now. Cloud cap in the Sandias early this morning. Probably some snow flurries on the crest this morning inside of that cloud. Very strong winds. That's the bigger story for most of us. We have another storm coming on Tuesday that'll fire the winds back up. Then it will finally start to get better. Mainly northern New Mexico getting snowed on. Heart of this latest storm system into central Colorado, where there's some very heavy snow falling. All these blue shaded areas where we have either wind advisories or high wind warnings. That's what's in effect for Albuquerque and Bernalillo County. And we have extreme fire danger concerns on top of all of that in southeast New Mexico. It is a weather alert day. Very strong winds. Only a 20% chance at snow this morning. And then wintry mix and rain showers later on this afternoon. Better snow chances across the northern mountains. That's where most of the moisture stays. But a little bit of this gets into west central New Mexico. Strong winds today. There is a potential for wind damage and power outages from falling tree limbs. We're really concerned about blowing dust, limited visibilities, and dangerous crosswinds on the highways. So multiple levels of threat due to the strong winds. Tonight we'll chase out the moisture, calm the winds down. We do dip to about freezing and even below in northern New Mexico. A quiet Monday, 50 and 60 to about 70-degree high temperatures with a partly cloudy sky. Then on Tuesday, we're likely going to get wind blasted once again, and will likely track another round of snow and wintry mix showers in the central, western, and northern New Mexico. We get into Wednesday, it's all done. We do warm up by the end of the week. Breezy, windy Friday, Saturday, but hey, we'll be up around 70 as we welcome in that first day of spring.